Thank you. This is the phone,
S9
and you
Plus.
get this free.
S9 Plus, Midnight Black, 128 GB.
Perfect.
With the free AKG
Perfect.
headphone. Worth 699 dirhams. And he added this wireless charger compatible with
It's
S9.
a must. Yeah, must get.
This
Let's
has
go.
with wall charger as well. So we are going to go unboxing the phone afterwards.
Perfect.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we are going to unbox now the fresh S9 Plus 128 GB.
So how many people bought the 128 and how many people bought the regular ones? Mostly what are they buying?
Mostly the S9 Plus, 128 and 64.
Okay, no, not much of this.
Lilac purple,
Oh, lilac
especially
purple.
for the women.
Got it.
So the ladies love to buy the 64 GB S9 Plus,
Yeah.
while the man likes, of course, black
Wow.
because it's so sleek and
Very nice.
especially in the corporate world. So I'm gonna turn on the phone now. So it says here Samsung Galaxy S9 secured by Knox. So it's the box.
Got it.
So these are the we have
Accessories.
inside. So the UAE version of the wall charger,
Okay.
the USB connector,
That's fine.
and this one,
Got it.
cord, and the AKG earphones.
Love it. It's good.
And this inside there's a quick lock. Let's see, start it here. So we'll do this. Wi-Fi. So basically, Samsung now we initiated to double check the phone just for the warranty purposes. And we want the customer to leave the store happy.
Yes.
The sweet
Make
smell.
sure everything is working fine.
Yeah. Because personally, if I will buy a phone, so of course, no, if I will buy a phone, I'm not comfortable like leaving the store, like not opening the device.
Got it.
Because it should be working properly before leaving the store. Because somehow if you reach the home and the phone won't turn on, so it's kind of hassle. So it will take like less than 2 minutes to activate the phone. So by transferring the data from old device from his
I never do that. I always install fresh because there are always some glitches coming from old device. I never do that from old device. I always start fresh.
Okay, so you don't want to transfer the...
Nope.
Okay. What about the contacts, sir? You can manage?
That that is Gmail once that goes in.
It says all done. Your phone is ready to use.
Perfect.
Software update, register on device.
Very good.
Device register. All done.
All done. And that's it.
That's it. Now,
Perfecto.
sure.
Perfecto.
You have YouTube channel, sir?
Yeah.
Awesome. You want to use